Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off the chat in your WebinarFuel webinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off chat in the webinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running webinars, you know that sometimes if the chat is visible, some of the users are going to say things that just aren't relevant to the rest of the group. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn off the chat to one of your webinars in WebinarFuel, here on the top, you're going to click on webinars. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the webinars you're currently running. So go ahead and choose the webinar that you want to turn the chat off for. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you're going to see this gray menu here, and you want to click on webinar room. And once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see chat tab. If you don't see this for some reason, make sure you've clicked on live and replay right here. So here on live, you want to make sure that this is disabled and it's in orange. You can also put it as private, so that way you're the only one who's going to be able to see what's going on in the chat. Next, you want to go ahead and click over here to replay, and then you want to go ahead and either enable or disable. So to turn it off, make sure it says disabled. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to turn the chat off in your WebinarFuel webinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.